Hello and welcome. Have you figured out how to prioritize your time in your business, taking the time off that you really deserve, going on those holidays with your family, or just going on that camping trip or whatever it may be, but you're not finding the time, not finding the money necessary to do all these enjoyable things in life? Well, I was there. I had no clue. I was spinning around in circles trying to figure it all out, but getting nowhere. Wasn't taking time off, wasn't enjoying myself, until I really realized what it took was education. I needed to learn. I needed to understand how to run a business. So I thought I knew how to run a business, but truly I didn't. I was just playing business. Until I went to a 2-hour event that really changed the way I do business. So I invite you to come out to the 2-hour event as well. So click my bio link. So everybody have a fantastic day.